Okay, so while our potatoes are getting cooked, we're gonna start up our prep for the burgers that we're gonna make. We're gonna make some healthy burgers with instead of bread, we're gonna use lettuce. This is romaine lettuce. So here we just want to get rid of all the excess stuff. I've seen a lot of people that will take it apart before this part, but I don't know why I have this tendency of slicing them in half after I do the first half and then taking off all the peeling. It works for me. It doesn't have to work for you. This is just a personal thing. Just wanted to kind of commentate on it. And so once you got all the straps away, you want to start dicing these up. Actually, no, we're grilling this, so you don't want to dice them. You just want to make them into like some long strands, because these are going to be grilled. We're not mixing them with anything else. Kind of forgot about that. Because then after this, we're going to want to start with our meat. So these are ready to go. These are going to go in a little bit before our meat. I want to just get those ready so that while we're waiting for the meat to grill, we're pretty much all the way on the way. So here's the meat. Remove the paper, and then I'm gonna season them up. And the seasoning, I mean, it doesn't have to be way complex. For instance, all I'm gonna use is gonna be paprika. So paprika and this hamburger seasoning. So just put it on each side. The nice thing about paprika is that it doesn't add like too much of a punch, but it gives it a nice taste after it's cooked. And then put on your hamburger seasoning. This is where all your salt and like pepper stuff is going to come from. And flip it over. You want to get both sides. And then you're pretty much set with the seasoning. The next thing you want to do is you want to have your tomatoes ready. That's what you want to, since we're eating veggie burgers, I guess you could say. Want to make sure that these are ready to go once everything's all said and done. Just so you don't have to worry about it at the end. This is pretty much all the prep work. Just don't want to save anything for the end. And like I said, we already have our potatoes going. So we're just about ready to cook. So let's get into it.